Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn in how you can cancel your booking here on trip.com and how you can get a refund. So first is you have to open your trip.com application or just use the web browser. And then after that, you just have to log into your trip.com account and then just go to my trips option or my bookings. Okay, and then after that, you have your flights, hotels, trains, car rentals, and all of that. After that, you just have to select the flight, okay, and then tap the manage my booking or similar. Then once you see that, you'd be able to see the canceled booking option. So since we don't have any flight yet, so I can really show you that right here. So you just have to tap on the cancel booking and then just have to review the cancellation details, including any fees, then confirm the cancellation, and then you just have to submit your request. So note that airlines and fare types affect the refunds, so cheaper or non-refundable tickets may not be fully refunded. And then after you cancel, once your cancellation is confirmed, trip.com will process your refund according to the original payment method. And then refunds usually take a few days to show in your account depending on the payment method and your bank. So, important things to know that refund eligibility depends on the fare or booking rules. So, some cheap flight tickets or hotel offers are non-refundable. So even when trip.com cancels, the airlines or hotels refund policy still applies. So trip.com just facilitates the process. So that's it for this video. If you think this would help you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.